Some volcanoes create their own lightning storms during eruptions. As ash and particles clash in the sky, they generate enough static to spark dramatic bolts of lightning. Volcanoes are basically natural storm factories. Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano looks like something out of science fiction. Its lava glows blue. That's because sulfuric gases burn with an electric blue flame. It's beautiful, but toxic. More than 80% of Earth's volcanic activity happens underwater. These seafloor volcanoes shape new land and feed strange ecosystems in the deep. You're walking on ancient lava floors. Not all volcanoes erupt lava. On icy moons like Enceladus, volcanoes erupt frozen water and ammonia. These are called cryovolcanoes, and they might even hint at alien life. When Krakatoa erupted in 1883, the explosion was heard 3,000 miles away. It shattered windows, triggered tsunamis, and killed over 36,000 people. The loudest sound ever recorded by humans. When Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, it threw so much ash and sulfur into the sky that Earth cooled by half a degree for 2 years. Volcanoes can act like temporary air conditioners for the planet. In 1815, Mount Tambura's eruption caused global crop failure, famine, and snowfall in summer. One volcano changed the weather worldwide. Some lava flows, like in Hawaii, can move as fast as a car, up to 60 kilometers per hour. It's slow in videos, but in real life, you don't want to be in its way. Hot, heavy, and unstoppable. Yellowstone hides one of the world's largest supervolcanoes. If it erupts, it could bury the US in ash and trigger a global disaster. It last erupted 640,000 years ago. Stromboli, a volcano in Italy, has been erupting for over 2,000 years. Its steady lava bursts make it a natural lighthouse. From thunderous explosions to icy space volcanoes, these fiery beasts shape our world, and maybe even others.
Thanks for watching. Until the next video, MiniBlasts.